Still craving chips at midnight or reaching for cookies right after dinner? You are not alone. But what if I told you those junk food cravings can be controlled and even eliminated with just a few simple hacks? Stay tuned because I am about to drop 5 powerful tips that will transform the way you fight cravings starting today. This is your go to spot for health hacks, wellness, and real change. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap that notification bell so you can never miss a tip that could change your life. Cravings often disguise themselves as hunger when really you are just dehydrated. Whenever a junk craving hits, drink a big glass of cold water and wait 15 minutes. You'll be surprised how often that craving just vanishes. Plus, staying hydrated helps your body flush out toxins that actually trigger cravings. Ever try to quit junk cold turkey? It never works, right? Act 2 is all about the swap method. Craving chocolate? Try dark chocolate with almonds. Want something crunchy? Go for air popped popcorn or roasted chickpeas. You are satisfying the craving without sabotaging your health goals. Rewire your brain with a craving practice. The moment you crave junk, stand up, stretch, and take 5 deep breaths. Why? It interrupts the dopamine cycle that junk food triggers. Over time, your brain learns that cravings don't get rewarded with chips, but with control. Act 4 is a game changer. Delay your craving by 20 minutes. Set a timer. During that time, go for a walk, call a friend, or clean something small. Most cravings are impulsive and fade if you give your body time to chill. This hack builds mental resilience like nothing else. You didn't expect this one, but it's powerful. Feed your gut better, and your cravings will fade. Add more fermented foods like yogurt, kimchi, or sauerkraut to your diet. A healthy gut equals fewer sugar cravings, better mood, and more energy. Seriously, this could be the one thing that changes everything. Let's take a quick recap. Act 1, drink water. 2, swap, don't stop. 3, train your brain. 4, use the 20 minutes rule. 5, heal your gut. Which hack are you going to try first? Drop it in the comments. And if you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it, and don't forget to subscribe for more health and wellness hacks every week. Until I see you in my next video, please take good care of yourself because you mean so much to me. I love you all.